You reading the book? Bring me the book. Go get it. Get the book. Yeah. You want movie? No, let's read the book. Rocco, what are you doing? Oh, are we going to be sad? Go get the book, Mama. Go get the book. Yeah, go get it. Let me see it. Let me see that book. Let's see the book. Yeah, go get it. What's Buddy doing? He's looking for toys in your toy box. Did you hide some of Buddy's stuff in there? Hmm?